Mento is one of the most important music for Jamaicans. It was the birth of their first musical sound. But how did it came about? The genre, like no other Caribbean island, started on the plantations of Jamaica, during the years of post-slavery. The enslaved Jamaicans did have little means of comfort, so they resort to singing, and after much experimentation with their voices and handmade instruments, they developed a distinct melodic sound, which they now called Mento. Even to this day, Mento, which reigned as Jamaica's most popular music of the early 1920s to 1950s, remains the most dominant force on the island. Mento music is extensively used in tourism promotions, and its rhythms help to shape some of the succeeding genres. Additionally, Mento is the island's most indigenous music, having its root in the slave plantation system, and it is also Jamaica's first commercially recorded music. Mento music is often played on folk instruments, versus the predominant horns and electric instruments that came to dominate later Jamaican musical styles. Often a band will consist of a guitar, a banjo, a gourd shaker and a rumba box, a large, bass register mabira, or thumb piano, played by sitting on the box and striking metal flappers which are attached. Other common instruments are upright bass, fiddle, mandolin, ukulele, and trumpet. Many American tourists to Jamaica get their first taste of Jamaican music through Mento, as the Jamaican government funds Mento bands to play in the airports and on tourist beaches. Jamaican calypso, Mento music, is often referred to as Jamaican calypso, although the rhythms and song patterns are markedly different from those of other Caribbean folk sound. Jamaicans managed to create a unique genre for themselves. Mento songs are folk song subjects, from political commentary to simple day-to-day life, but a disproportionately large number of the songs are bawdy songs, some delightfully funny with bold romantic themes.